Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to rotate a page in Canva. Now before we get started, there's one important thing to mention. Rotating an entire Canva page using the resize method requires a Canva Pro subscription. If you're using the free version, some of these options may not appear. By the end of this video, you'll know how to rotate your Canva page from portrait to landscape or landscape to portrait, adjust your design properly afterward, and even flip your design if needed. Let's jump right in. First, open Canva and load the design you want to rotate. This method works especially well for presentations, posters, social media graphics, and documents where you want to completely change the page orientation. Once your project is open, look at the top toolbar and find the Resize button. Click on it. Inside the Resize menu, select Custom Size. You'll now see your current page dimensions displayed as width and height values. Here's the trick that rotates your page. Simply swap the width and height numbers. For example, if your design is 1080 by 1920, you would change it to 1920 by 1080. This basically changes the canvas orientation from vertical to horizontal or the other way around. After swapping the dimensions, click Continue. Canva will now ask whether you want to resize the current design or copy and resize the design. I strongly recommend choosing Copy and Resize. This keeps your original design safe in case you want to return to it later. Once Canva finishes processing, open the resized version of your design. You'll notice that your design elements may not automatically fit perfectly inside the new orientation, and that's completely normal. Now it's time to adjust everything. Click on Images, Videos, or Graphics inside your design. You can rotate individual elements using the rotate handle that appears beneath the selected object. Simply click and drag to rotate the item until it's positioned correctly. After rotating elements, you may also need to resize them so they properly fill the new canvas dimensions. Drag the corners outward to scale images or graphics larger if needed. Take your time during this step because small adjustments can make your final design look much cleaner and more professional. Another useful feature is the flip option. When you select an image or graphic, you'll see a flip button in the top toolbar. You can choose Flip Horizontal or Flip Vertical. This is useful if your design layout looks better mirrored after rotating the page. A great tip here is to zoom out slightly while editing. This helps you see the full page layout more clearly and makes it easier to reposition elements after changing the orientation. Also remember that rotating a page doesn't always mean every object needs to rotate too. Sometimes only the canvas orientation changes while your text and images stay upright. Once everything looks good, preview your design to make sure all the elements are aligned properly and nothing important gets cut off near the edges. So, to quickly recap, to rotate a page in Canva, open your design, click Resize, choose Custom Size, swap the width and height values, and use Copy and Resize to create the rotated version safely. After that, adjust your design elements, rotate or flip images if needed, and resize everything to fit the new page orientation. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more Canva tutorials, and thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.